Welcome. If you want to block ads in your Oppo A52, I recommend you to get the Opera Mini browser. So you have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type Opera Mini. Get this browser, and then when you get it, you can open it. And you have to click on this icon and be sure that the ad blocking is turned on. And here we got also how many the ads were blocked. Currently it is 17. So when we scroll down, we cannot find here any ads, as you can see. So it's pretty cool that you don't have to connect any external application. And that's how we can block the ads. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.